friends, welcome to third session digital learning classes of Sai Kids Ravi Talkies Bhubaneswar. So last class we learned all the notes in a guitar. So just give you an overall ideas. So this I showed you. How many notes are there total? It is 12 notes. Starts with A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G and G sharp. Okay. So as I told you, after A, which note will come? It is A sharp. After A sharp, it is B. So if I will ask you after G, similarly it will be G sharp. If I will ask after G sharp, which note will come? Directly you can jump into A. Okay. So now we will see in the guitar how to play all the notes properly. So I told you that these are the strings of guitar. Starts with the lower one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So the name of the lower string is E. I already told. If you don't remember or if you can't remember this, go to the previous classes and see. You can check this out. So like this open string is E, then the second will be B, G, third, D, fourth, A, fifth, again E is 6. So 6th and the first string name is E in the open. Open, what is open? If we play without pressing the fretboard, just like this, this is called as open. When we put the finger here, this is the closed notes. So these all are open notes. We play open notes like this. Okay, then again. So when you have your guitar with you, you have to practice always from down to up, then up to down. So in a proper time signature, like the difference between the strings should be same. See now how I am playing now. You can check. You need to practice every 15 minutes a day to practice all the open string without watching the strings. You have to remember simultaneously all the strings name also. So it is better you always play and count in your mind which strings you are playing. Like if I am playing E and B, I should count E, B. Like that you count all the strings when you play. From down to up, up to down. Now we will play all the notes in the guitar. How it looks like, you can check now. So this is the guitar. I am making it closer. So now you can see here. So this is open E. So today we will practice only the 3 frets of each and every strings. It is very important to understand these 3 frets, 1, 2 and 3. So up to this we will learn. As I told you, the number is counting as from A to G. So if this is the E string, okay, so what will be the next string after E? It is F, because there is no sharp of E sharp, so it is F. So you can press that and you can play the F note. So you can see the sound has been changing accordingly. Okay, fine. So now the next note will be, after F it is F sharp, G. You can practice all the notes up to this. You can see there are 2 dots. That means it is completing the octave. It starts with E, open E, and it will finish here same as E. So E to E, it will cover 12 notes. So it is 1 octave. Again, so now we will go to the second string. The name of the second string is B, correct? So you can play B. It is open. I am not touching any fretboard. I am playing simple open chord note. So the next will be, if you press the first fret in the first finger, sorry, yeah, it's right, it is C, because after B there is no sharp notes. Okay, so this is C, the second string, second fret, second finger, C sharp, second string, third fret, third finger, it is D. Like that you can count all this. So now only you have to remember all the 3 notes. So it is C, C sharp, D. Again, now this is the G string. So G, G sharp, A sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, A sharp, B, C, E, F sharp and G. Okay, so practice all the 3 notes carefully. Then in the next class we will learn the finger exercise on this.